Today we're doing an oil change on the BMW 525 2006. It's an N52 motor, and it takes 6.5 quarts of oil. I got us Castrol Edge, you know what I mean? And first step would be to take off the oil filter. Now, you need an oil filter remover. Looks like that. My extendo, and you remove this first. And you're gonna take off this red O-ring. You can use a flathead screwdriver or anything along those lines to remove this. Fuck, nigga. I didn't get a flathead, but I got one of these. Should be wearing gloves right now too. Take that off. New filter versus old filter. It's only been 3 months too, that's crazy. Anyway, new ring. I'm gonna slide it over. Slide it over. Shit, acting stupid because I'm on camera. Stop playing with me, nigga. Alright, slide it over, roll it down like that. And you're gonna take your filter. There's usually a little cover here. Inside there is your oil drain plug. It's a 17 millimeter. With the ratchet, size 17. When you unscrew that, the oil will come out. After your oil is done draining out, obviously put the screw back on. And you're gonna come back up top. When you get back up to the top, you're gonna tighten our filter. All the way down. This is the oil filter removal tool that I was using. I got mine from AutoZone, a couple bucks, maybe 15, along with the extension that you saw and my ratchet. The oil plug drain bolt is a size 17 at the bottom of the car. After you add that back on, and you finish tightening your filter, now you're gonna add oil. This motor takes 6.5 quarts of synthetic oil. 6.5. Castrol Edge Hamas. There goes Perla. That's the homie. She just got a new car. You know, it's big Beamer gang in this bitch. That's what we doing. Perla with the 330. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we using the Castrol high edge, high mileage 5W30 full synthetic 6.5 or 7 quarts altogether. That's my homie in the cut with the Beamer. You know what the fuck going on. We all got Beamers out here. And after you add this, that's pretty much it.